Today we're going to be exploring Davidoff's Discovery series, also known as the Black Label.
Hello and welcome to Bespoke. My name's CP.
My name's Paul Anthony.
And I'm Klaas Kelner.
And we're at the Saga restaurant in Santiago, in the Dominican Republic, with Klaas, Kelner, who just introduced himself.
Today we're actually going to be doing a little discovery of 3 different lines that Davidoff has. It's part of our Discovery series, or how some people commonly call it the Black Label of Davidoff Cigars. And with this series, this pillar, Davidoff decides to explore different territories. We're no longer just going to be focusing on the typical Dominican tobaccos that it is present in most of Davidoff's core line, but we will be branching out into new territories such as Davidoff Nicaragua, Davidoff Yamasá, and then we're going to finish off the night with Davidoff Escurio, which is Brazil in this case.
So why has Davidoff made the decision to discover new territories? What can a cigar enthusiast and or a Davidoff enthusiast expect from these new discovery blends?
What's really neat about this is that in the past, most people said Davidoff is just Connecticut Ecuadorian wrapper, Davidoff is just Dominican tobaccos inside the filler. And what we are giving the opportunity to our consumers, our fans, is to basically try out new regions that they might have had available in different stores or other brands, and they can find these similar taste profiles in a Davidoff cigar with Davidoff quality. So they don't have to go somewhere else to try a Nicaraguan Habano type flavor. They don't have to go somewhere else to try the spices and the sweetness of Brazilian tobaccos. They can find it in Davidoff with the quality that will never fail them.
Perfect. Well, thanks very much for the introduction to the Discovery pillar from Davidoff. There are also going to be individual reviews of each one of these cigars, so check out the links below for that. If you like this video, please comment below, like the video itself, and also subscribe to our channel for much more cigar content as well as men's lifestyle topics. With all of that being said, my name is Paul Anthony.
I'm CP.
And I'm Klaas Kelner.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Take care.
Well, Charles-Philippe and I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please also check out the full-length documentary of how Davidoff makes cigars.
And down here there's a full playlist of our whole Dominican experience.